In this lecture, we will create API for fetching user orders. So, this user has placed two orders. So now using API, we have to fetch both the orders. So for that, inside order slice, we will be creating the function. Here, I will write the comment get user orders. From here, copy this entire function and below this, I will be pasting. I will give the function name as get all my orders. Copy this and here inside this action type, I will be passing order slash get all my orders. From this try block, remove this entire content. I will be creating data. Directly, I'm just going to destructure data. I will be passing await, Axios. Let me open order routes. And using this, we will access all the user orders. So this is the route we have to pass. So inside this, we will be using get request slash API slash v1 and then we will pass order slash users. And finally, we are just going to return data from this function. Let me come to order routes. So using this route, we are just calling this function and inside all my orders, we are returning success and we are returning orders. Why? Because one user can have multiple orders. So using this, we are returning orders and we are returning success to be true. And if we are not having any order, then accordingly, this message will be shown to the user. I will come to order slice and here we will not be passing any payload. So instead, I will be passing underscore. So that's it. We have to create the function. Now below this, I will copy this complete builder and here I will be writing the comment get all user orders. Below this paste, then I'm just going to pass get all my orders, copy, paste and then paste. So inside this pending state, loading will be true and error will be null. And inside this fulfill state, I will access order state and whatever order user is having, that order I'm just going to assign and I will be storing inside this order state. Then for this success, directly from payload, whatever value I'm having for success, that value will be stored and loading will be false. And inside this error, I will change the message. I will be passing fail to fetch orders. And exact same error message I will copy and inside this function I'm just going to pass. Okay, very simple. In this way, we will create the function using which we will access all the user orders. And accordingly, we have passed all the cases for pending, fulfilled and rejected actions.